probije. Pokušava. Evo pokušava narod. Probio se narod. Probio se.
In view of the escalating tensions between Serbia and Kosovo, Serbia on Monday placed its security troops on the border with Kosovo on the full state of combat readiness, ignoring NATO's calls for calming down of tensions between the two wartime Balkan foes. President Alexander Vučić said that he took the call amid the rising tensions and that he will take all the measures to protect our people and preserve Serbia. Serbia's Interior Minister Bratislav Gašić said that he ordered the full combat readiness of police and other security units and that they will be placed under the command of the Army Chief of Staff according to their operational plan. The sabre rattling is louder than ever and follows media claims that Pristina is preparing an attack on ethnic Serb areas in North Kosovo. The government in Pristina has made no comment about the allegations, but it has previously accused the Serbian President Vučić of playing games to stir up trouble. The European Union has been constantly attempting to mediate but to no avail. The 27-member bloc is calling for maximum restraint and immediate action and for the leaders of Serbia and Kosovo to personally contribute to a political solution. NATO, which has peacekeeping troops in Kosovo, has called on all parties to avoid any kind of provocation. The EU has warned that it will not tolerate attacks on EU police or any criminal acts. A shooting incident on Sunday evening took place in Zubin Potok, a town where local ethnic Serbs have been manning road barricades for the past 2 weeks and where tensions have been running high. Serbia's defense minister and the army's chief of staff travelled to the border with Kosovo, praising the combat readiness of Serbian troops and their firepower, including howitzers and other military hardware. Serbia, which has been armed through Russian donations and military purchases, has been sabre rattling and threatening force against its former province for a long time now. Serbia refuses to recognize Kosovo as an independent state. Kosovo, which has an overwhelmingly ethnic Albanian majority, broke away from Serbia after a war in 1998 to 1999. Fears of violence have soared since the start of Russia's war in Ukraine. The United States and most European countries have recognized Kosovo's independence, while Serbia has relied on Russia and China in its bid to maintain the claim on the province. The rising tensions involve several issues amid the international efforts to step up mediation efforts. Most recently, ethnic Serbs in North put up roadblocks in protest of an arrest of a former Serb police officer, which led to massive protests. Belgrade has repeatedly warned that it would protect the local Serbs with all means if they are attacked.
Srce Srbije! Ko je srce Srbije? Srce Srbije! Srce Srbije! Kosovo je srce!